Yeah, they really don't care for this, I think. There's honey on my knife.
Oh, yum. So what bar are you on now? So you got 3 up there.
Yeah, this is bar number 4. Again, heavy. They got pollen down in the bottom.
That's what it looks like on this one. Oh, this one, the next one has brood, honey.
Really?
Yep.
They put brood in it?
They put brood in it. Lots of it, too.
Oh, that stinks. Okay.
So.
Well, that's where I'm going to stop. I don't want to take the brood. I want to leave them that. I just want to take some of the honey. So.
I wonder where we have better capped honey in the back.
So let's see here now. So that means that we're going to choose ours out of these ones. Should I just take them all? Because I'm only getting half. Should I just take these 4 bars?
How much we went in the back?
Well,
I know. We had decided before that they didn't.
Well, we did this one this way. I don't think I want to tear into the back now. That's the younger comb.
Okay.
This is the comb they had available the whole time the flow was on. Okay, so I want to take out of here.
Okay.
If you want to do Hive 2, if you want to go start from the back and see what we find, then we can do that. Would you like to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, now you've seen these 4 bars.
I would leave this one here.
Okay, so we're going to give bar 4, we're going to give them back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's so close to the brood, they may have larvae in that one, actually. That would be that.
Smoke. Boy, they are really going after my hand right now. Yeah, I try not to smoke them too much, but... One thing about the top bar hives I found is so okay, that one's back in. Okay, so we're going to keep this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, they hate the brush, so this